Hi again, Marcy Davis here from Quick Start Piano, where adults learn by playing the music they love most. And today we've got more Christmas music. We're going to be using this book here, Holiday Classics by Piano Pronto, available at pianopronto.com. Now you do not need this book. You can learn the pieces just by watching me play, and I will show you how to play them. But if you are a collector of books and you enjoy reading sheet music, this book is amazing. It has 3 versions for each tune. The first one, you just play the melody notes, and so it's very simple and easy to play. The second version, you add a few more harmony notes, and the third version adds the most harmony notes of all. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a 4th version where I will play all of the melody notes, the notes with the words, all of those with the right hand, and we'll be putting chords underneath with the left hand. Let's take a look. Okay, so Jingle Bells, we're going to look at the melody first. And I'm going to start with the chorus because it's a little bit easier. It's all in C home bass, the Jingle Bells, Jingle Bells. Some people like to just play that. In the book, it is written in a middle C home bass. We're going to move it up an octave to give us more room to play the chords on the left hand. And here's how we start off. We're going to have 3rd finger on E, E, G, C, D, E, F, E, E, D, D, E, D, G. Then we go back to the Jingle Bells theme. E, 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 G, C, D, E, F, 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 E, E. Lots of repeated notes on this chorus. Certain ways people keep track of them is if you sing the lyric, oh, what fun it is to ride in a one. It'll help you keep track of where you are in the measure. You could also count it, but I think it's a little more natural to do the lyric. All right, so that was the chorus. Let's go back to the opening verse. So we're going to start with our thumb on G, and we're going to stretch up to pinky on E. So G, E, D, C, G. So it's a little bit like being in an A home bass with your thumb moved over. Let's try that again. G, E, D, C, G. And then again. And now we're going to switch, and we actually do put our thumb on the A. And then the next line, A, stretch up to F, and we're going to bring all of our fingers with it. So it's more like being in a B home bass. Let's try that again. O'er the fields we go. And then we're going to stretch one more time, and this time we'll be in C home bass. Then we'll drop back down to the G. We're going to have our pinky on the E. So you see I've got my fingers set as if I was in an A home bass with my thumb down. Now move my thumb up. Now I'm going to stretch my pinky. And I'm going to stretch again to G. And we have a lot of G's in a row. At some point, I need to get my 4th finger on G so that I can hit this A note. So somewhere in here, bounce to the 4. And then we're going to stretch to 2. And then we're back to C home bass. That was probably the most complicated line. Let's take a look at that. Stretching up, bouncing to the 4, and then stretch. There we go. So that's the right hand melody for Jingle Bells. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, if you have an idea or a request for a tutorial that you would like to see, maybe a favorite tune or a certain aspect of music that you would like to see demonstrated, drop me a note in the comments. I'll see what I can do.